Hello and welcome to Laurie Fay Art, another animal oracle series for you today. And today we are doing giraffe. Before we get started on the animal, I would just like to speak about what is a spirit animal. What are we talking about here? Well, a spirit animal is in reference to a spirit which is there to guide and protect you. These are represented in forms of an animal, and that's why they're called spirit animals. And they're often here to give us a lesson of sorts, teach us, or they may have just a message for us. You may feel significantly drawn to a certain animal in the real sense, or you might be drawn to symbols or a certain bird that catches your eye, or you feel that you know them on a personal level. You may find a particular animal showing up in dreams, books, or meditations, and yes, you can have more than one spirit animal. So let's get started on the giraffe. Now some facts. Giraffes are the tallest animal in the world, and they can run at 35 miles an hour, a short distance, or they can run at 10 miles an hour just for a stroll. Giraffes are great survivalists and only need water every few days. A giraffe's heart weighs approximately 11 kilos, and they are quiet animals, but they have great eyesight and are very intelligent, particularly adaptive, and very instinctual. They cannot jump, but they can kick in all directions and will protect their young at all costs. They kick so fast and hard that they are known to behead lions. A group of giraffes is called a tower. Giraffe is linked to the third eye chakra, which is the sixth chakra, and it is represented by the colour indigo. The element that giraffe is linked to is earth, and the astrological sign giraffe is linked to is Venus. Giraffes often appear as a spirit guide when one needs to be more aware of the future. For example, future plans, goals, or expectations. Adjusting perspective can help gain balance and see new opportunities from this new vantage point. Comes the term sticking one's neck out. They also remind us not to get caught up in illusions. Clinging to the past is pointless. And giraffe also indicates the power of silence. The positive traits of giraffe are vision and foresight, flexibility, kindness, gentleness, the ability to be silent and listen, heightened perspective, awareness, protection, resourcefulness, and grace. The negative traits of the giraffe are being too flighty, not being grounded enough, being overprotective, and the need for social acceptance. Giraffes in dreams. Dreaming of giraffe, more often than not in association with perspective or views, perhaps a narrow view, is making you miss the point, or unwarranted risk taking is needing to be assessed. A giraffe kicking or showing aggression in dreams indicates a need to assert yourself. If there is a baby giraffe in your dream, you are progressing on an emotional and spiritual level. Call on a giraffe when you have lost focus, when you are overwhelmed or too heavily invested, when you need guidance about the future, or you are trying to create a balance between the physical and spiritual realms. And that, my friends, is it today for giraffe. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you have a request or you'd like to see an animal in the weekly video, let me know in the comments down below, and we will see what we can do. So have a great week, no matter what you are doing. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.